You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 1 over 50. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Expand the parentheses. Break up the fraction. Simplify the fraction. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 1 over 2 to both sides. Group like terms. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by 25. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 1 over 50.